Hey beauties, it's Riri. I recently got a request to do a palette bingo with one of the Gourmande Girls palettes. I chose the NUEVA VIDA just because, my hair is purple and green now. I thought it was suiting. This palette is not available right now, but obviously if you have a springtime palette that's got these similar vibes, if you have a couple of the other Gourmande Girls palettes, you will also kind of be able to recreate this and get a similar vibe. So of course with palette bingo, I'm going to go in and randomly pick 5 different shades or 5 numbers to correlate back to the shades. And then we create a look. I love doing palette bingos and I really need to do them more. So I'm so glad that somebody asked me to do one because it really, kind of forces us out of our comfort zones a little bit. Maybe we are, used to looking at a palette in a certain way, kind of viewing it in, oh, well, let me go here, 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 and here. And this kind of, makes us kind of go outside the box a little bit and do something maybe that we would not opt to do with a particular palette or color story. So you can see the 5 shades that I chose. Thank y'all for all the feedback. Thank you guys for the suggestions. I do say this often. I will always try to accommodate whatever you guys would like to see. I'm not opposed to you guys saying, hey, I noticed that you haven't used this particular palette in a while. Can you use that for us? I'm always open to that, you guys. But thank you guys always for the love and the support. Thank you for your feedback and your suggestions. I welcome it always. Spoiler alert. Oh, this is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. It is absolutely stunning. And I do have an affiliated code with Gourmande Girls. It is Riri10 for 10% off, just to note that for you guys. She is somebody that I really look up to. She's an inspiration of mine. I think she has quality products, and I'm such a big fan of her as a human and of course of the brand. Thank you guys for watching.